Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you a problem guys that could occur on Mercedes. Okay, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Replace key battery. Check out this message now, right there. This is very annoying message guys. And if you have a C-Class, E-Class, M, ML, GLE, all that GLK Mercedes, all new Mercedes guys, it's going to tell you if you need a new battery. We have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe. If you need help with anything, drop a comment and we'll show you how to fix that problem today. So, all you have to do, this is your key. You can see right here. That slider, okay, you need to push it all the way like that, and at the same time you need to pull the key out. Okay, 1 second. Let me unlock the car. You have to grab it with your nail, pull the key out. Now, on the inside guys, towards, okay, you can see where that slider is. On top there is a place, okay, where you can stick your key in, and let me show you where that thing is. Okay, right here you can see. All you have to do, stick it more in. There is one clip and the cap comes open. Now it has two clips here. You can see this is the clip that we pushed in, and there is two on the front that just go like that. Now this is the original Mercedes battery, CR2025 Energizer, okay, so we'll get it out. I'll just leave it on the floor for now. So you can find out where we got our battery from in the description of the video if you need to order one. So you have to place it, okay, face down like that. Next, install that cover on the front first, push in until it clicks, put the key in. Okay, just like that. Now, let's see if I start the car. Previously I used to get that message, replace key battery every time I start the car. Let's check it out now. The message is gone, not there anymore. So, that's how you guys fix it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come.